Hey everyone, and my name is Ramandeep and you are watching me on my channel My Wacky World RK. So today's video is a review video of these makeup removing wipes. These are from Kara. It retails for 75 rupees and there are about 10 wipes in this packet, and I actually purchased it from Big Bazaar because I just wanted to check whether these wipes are as effective as the makeup cleansers which we use to remove our makeup. So yes, I will be giving a demo of this. So as I have already told you, it retails for 75 rupees, and direction for use is like slowly peel the front label, pull out the wipe, reseal the label, because if you not reseal it, it will get dry, and open and unfold the wipe and thoroughly wipe your face with it and discard the wipe after single use. And what it actually claims is Kara makeup removal wipes is an effective way to remove all the makeup from your skin. It is enriched with lavender extract which purifies the skin and gives a relaxing effect to the skin, while seaweed extract moisturizes the skin. These wipes ensure that skin gets its nourishment, moisture while makeup is removed. So what it says is that when your makeup would be removed, you will still feel moisturized. So let's see. So this is like closed. I would be opening it up. So yeah, I have opened it up. I would be removing one wipe, and I have almost nice makeup on my face right now. So let me just go ahead and start removing it. So this is the size of this wipe, and let me go ahead and remove the makeup. I have everything on my face. I have a blush on, I have a highlighter and kajal and mascara as well with the lipstick. So yeah, let's get started. So it says that you have to gently use it to remove the makeup. I will be removing the eyes makeup as well with this. I would be removing the lipstick. Yeah, it has actually removed the lipstick from the creases as well, very nicely. Alright, so all my makeup is removed now. I don't have any makeup left on my face. You can see it's on the wipe, thing on the wipe, and it has actually cleaned it very nicely. I really don't have any residue left on my face now. So it has like almost cleaned the makeup. The makeup is out on this wipe now. So yes, I have felt after, I have certainly felt that it has actually given little moisture to your face, but still I feel a need to wash my face with water. It's not that I am just I have just wiped it with this wipe and I am through with it. It's only if I don't have a choice to wash my face, then it's okay, then I would be using this wipe only. But if still I have a choice to wash my face after removing the makeup, I would certainly go ahead and just put a little water on my face, just splash of water and just dab it with the towel. And regarding the removal of the makeup, you can see it's almost everything is gone. little residue of kajal is there, and mascara is almost like gone, the eyeshadow gone, lipstick is gone, almost all the makeup is gone. So I think quite a nice kind of product, removal wipes, makeup removal wipes these are. But I am not satisfied with the price of it. It retails for 75 and there are only 10 wipes in that, which I think it's a little costly, because if you purchase a bottle of cleanser, any of the cleanser, it yeah, but it's okay actually, because you have to take a bottle of cleanser, then you have to purchase the wipes or the cotton pads as well, so it comes up somewhat like that. So yeah, it's okay, it's reasonable. I was thinking that it's like quite expensive for 10 wipes, but yeah, it's like expensive and non-expensive. I would certainly prefer these wipes instead of the bottle and the cotton pad, because even if you are traveling, you just have to pick this one packet, you have to put it in your bag, and you are sorted for your makeup at least for 4-5 days or whatever kind of makeup you put on. But for that you have to put a bottle in the bag, you have to keep cotton pads in your bag and all that stuff. Yeah, certainly. So this is actually a plus point for this. Everything is like plus point, except that after using this you really need water to to just give it a final removal touch to your face. So yeah, I really like these wipes. I would certainly recommend this wipes. And yes, that's it for now, and I hope you like the video. It is useful for all the girls who actually love to do makeup. So yes, welcome back. So I hope you loved the video. Actually my phone was switched off while I was shooting, so I was not able to complete the last sentence. So yes girls, I hope you like this video, and if you find this video useful, do subscribe to my channel, that is My Wacky World RK, and please hit the like button. If you want any questions, please do write in the comments below. I would be more than happy to answer all your questions. So yeah, till next time, take care, have a good day, have fun girls, bye.